Hey everybody, today I'm going to be taking a look at this professional weather station. Now what's really cool about this weather station is it's going to come with the remote unit and a full color base station. Now what I like about this is that you're going to be able to measure outdoor air temperature, the wind speed, you're also going to be able to do the wind direction, you're going to be able to do your temperature, humidity, and then also rainfall. So it's going to be really great for basically anybody who's into checking out the weather, things like that. You're going to get your full color base station here in the package. You're also going to get the remote unit itself. And you can see here, it does have a really nice high quality design. It's got a little solar panel on this side to kind of help with heating and things like that of the temperature units and things like that, the sensors that measure everything. This is going to be the cup right here that's going to collect all of the water. You can see here you have your vane that's going to point in the direction of the wind. And you're also going to have your wind collector here, so it's going to be able to take the wind speed measurements. Now what else is cool about this setup is you're going to be able to put this pretty much anywhere outside. You can put it on the side of your house, on a pole, pretty far distance away, and you're going to be set to go. Now what else is cool is in the package you're going to get a nice manual here. This is going to detail everything you need to do to set everything up, get things going. What else I think is cool about this little setup here is that it has a little battery backup that you're going to be able to put in there, and this is going to be able to record all those measurements. So you're going to be able to look at things over the course of a month to see how much rainfall you've gotten, things like that. You're also going to get a power adapter and your stand here for the remote unit. So let's get it hooked up and see what we can measure. So here's a closer look at the remote unit itself. You can see again you've got your vane right here on the bottom. This is going to be measuring the wind. Now what's cool about this is it's going to collect all that rainwater in here, and you can take this part off and also this part here, and this is how you can get inside of it to clean it if it has some kind of air or something like that. So super easy to put together. You can just snap this back into place, make sure it's all locked. And on the bottom here you're going to put 3 AA batteries. And then you're going to have a reset button here. You're going to have an LED light right here, and this LED is going to flash every time it transmits. And then you have this pusher button here. So you can push this button, and that's going to go ahead and push the signal to the base unit. Setup is super easy. You basically just need to install this piece here. There's another piece that you can install to get different angles and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get this set up, and then we'll go take a look at what the temperature readings are and everything on the base station. So here's a closer look at the weather station indoors. You can see it does have a very nice high color display here. You've got all the different colors, so you're going to be able to very quickly identify what you're looking at. In the middle here, we have our wind speed with direction. I like the fact that it actually points to where you are relative to the compass. You're also going to have all of your rain here, your outdoor remotes. This is saying it's 66 degrees at 41. You also are going to have your indoor temperature here. You have your barometer. You're going to be able to set the date, what it feels like, and then it's also going to be able to do a forecast, which I think is really cool. It is going to be able, once it's learned it for the temperature for a couple of days and things like that, it's going to be able to basically predict, hey, you've got some rain coming in, it's supposed to be sunny today, things like that. And I also like the fact that it gives you your highs and lows. Now, another thing that's neat about this unit itself is that you are going to be able to set this up with the different alarms. You're going to be able to go through, flip through all of your historical information, like your highs and lows for your barometers, things like that. And you can see here it's giving real-time updates on what that wind speed is, what the humidity, temperature, and things like that. I think it's going to be a must-have for anybody who's interested in the weather. This is going to give you a really great insight into what actual weather you're having in your own yard as opposed to what's happening at the airport or a weather station nearby.